guys,
We are at Grande Riviere.
we are going to see the big turtles. Big turtles.
The leatherback sea turtle is the largest turtle in the world. Its shell is leathery and feels rubbery. Leatherbacks must breathe air at the surface but can stay underwater for up to 35 minutes at a time. Leatherbacks live in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans and comes to our shores to nest during the months of March to August every year. The female leatherback digs a hole and lays about 100 eggs in the hole, covers them with sand, and heads back to the sea. The eggs take about 2 months to hatch. The leatherback population is disappearing around the world. They are accidentally caught in fishing nets and hunted for their meat and eggs. Sometimes sea turtles dig up other nests when digging to lay their eggs. When these nests are dug up, the eggs are no longer good. Sea turtles also mistake plastic trash for jellyfish, which is their main food. The plastic trash will remain in their stomachs, giving them a false sense that they are full and eventually die of hunger. The hatchlings also have a hard time to survive. They dig their way out of the sandy nest and head to the sea. They become confused by the lights, and instead of heading to the sea, they head toward the lights. Birds and ducks sometimes get the hatchlings before they make it to the water. Thanks for watching.